Hi guys, it's Daiki. How's it going? So today I'd like to talk about the difference between three confusing particles, de, ni, and e. Differentiating between which of these three particles can be one of the most confusing parts of learning Japanese. Understanding these particles is necessary for grasping basic Japanese and also to help convey specific meanings to other speakers. Each particle can have many different functions, but in this video, I'd like to focus on one of the more confusing aspects, the difference between location and direction particles. Even with intermediate and advanced Japanese language students, I can hear mistakes when they are trying to decide whether to use de, ni, or e. In this video, I will give you a crash course on how to distinguish among these three particles, de, ni, and e, in relation to location and direction, and also their basic functions. So if you are interested, please continue watching. First, I will talk about de. De is used to indicate the location, and it is similar to in, at, or on in English. De describes the place where an action happens. So if you want to say somebody is doing something at a specific place, you should use de. For example, 学校で勉強します。レストランで食べます。東京で働いています。You can see all the sentences describe the place where an action occurs. Next, I want to explain two functions of ni. Ni also has a function of indicating location, but describes the place where somebody or something exists. For example, 家にいます。彼は京都に住んでいます。水が冷蔵庫にあります。As you can see, when you use ni to indicate location, many times the following verbs will be いる、います or ある、あります。There are some exceptions such as 住んでいる、泊まっている、存在している and so on. But these verbs, in a sense, also indicate existence, so we Japanese people also use ni with these verbs. One important note, the difference between いる and ある is that いる should be used for living things, and ある should be used for non-living and inanimate objects. The second function of ni is for direction. So in English, you can kind of describe it as the preposition to. For example, 学校に行きます。家に帰りました。日本に行きたいです。But e also has a function of direction. Then what's the difference between ni and e? Now let's talk about that. Simply speaking, ni and e are almost the same. So you can use e instead of ni when describing direction. For example, if I reuse the sentences from before, 学校へ行きます。家へ帰りました。日本へ行きたいです。All the sentences make sense and sound natural. But there is a slight nuance between ni and e. Ni focuses on the destination, place B, that somebody or something is going to. But e focuses on the movement from place A to B. E doesn't have a function of location, so E has very limited uses compared to ni. In other words, a sentence that makes sense with E always makes sense with ni. For example, 買い物に行きます。買い物へ行きます。Both are correct because both sentences indicate direction. But when you look at the next example, you can say 東京に住んでいます but you can't say 東京へ住んでいます You know why, right? Because it indicates location. In conclusion, if you are confused by which one to use between ni or e, you should choose ni. Okay. Alright, that's all for this video. Today I talked about the difference between the three confusing particles de, ni, and e. I hope you understand the difference now. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.